Hey guys, it is I really like going back again with another video, and I just wanted to show you guys my room before. As you can see, it's very messy. This is my wardrobe, this is my table. I also just want to point out that I filmed this months ago actually, and looking back now, my room is not that messy. I've seen it way worse than this. This video is going to be mostly time-lapse, so I hope you guys enjoy the music and sit back and relax.
The first thing we're going to be sorting out is this table. I need to clear this table so I can put my laptop here and then be able to play music while I'm doing the rest of the room. I'm done with the drawer and I think I deserve a cookie.
Oh my God! Wow!
Shado
Honestly, I think I should move the furniture first before I start any cleaning.
Léopard a joué ballon, Black Star a joué ballon. Les lions jouaient ballon, mais l'éléphant a le bras long, et c'est à lui de s'installer.
So I want to shift this. I want to shift it to this wall, but then if I'm I love this song.
C'est à nous, t'as deviné. Et comme ma mère a dit, avant toute victoire, mon fils, y'a le combat. Oh, mais on commence tous en bas.
So we're gonna move this over there. There are a lot of things inside, so it's quite heavy.
Champion d'Afrique.
So I've successfully placed this where I need it to be. Now the remaining big things to shift is my bed and my table. So yeah, let's go.
Viens, on va danser. Viens, on va danser.
The baddest of the best, gang, gang. Who that be? Who that be? Who that be?
Viens t'amuser. Viens t'amuser. Viens, on va danser. Viens, on va danser. 2006, on a boto. 2012, on a boto. 2015, on a boto. Jusqu'à on a touché les lotos. On a pris. Et Dieu, serré, cuit, on a serré. Pas de bonnet, on a boni. Vous êtes baillé, on a bailli. Serge Aurier, s'il y a drage à court, Colo Touré.
So as you can see, I'm done with the general arrangement of the room. So let's arrange my clothes first. And so I will not be recording arranging my clothes, but when I'm done, you're gonna see. So my clothes has been sorted out. Some clothes are here, some clothes are here. I actually moved some clothes out. I couldn't finish arranging all the clothes, so let's just leave this door and cover here because here it looks quite messy. So here's the room so far: the bed, the dresser, and whatever it's called, my clothes here, my table, my mirror. So now I've arranged my shoes. I've arranged here a little. So now it's my bed left, and then to hang things on my wall, and then lights on my bed.
Peuple ivoirien, Papa Ado, Tonton Marcel, Papa Roger, Blacky Black.
So my bed is done. I really like it simple. Now time to hang my painting here and put some fairy lights here. I have some cute little things I just want to paste on my bed and on the wall, so let's do that. Okay, you guys, I think I'm done. I'm not done, but I'm done for today. The remaining decorating will be things that I'll purchase. But for this video, I'm done. So I want to give you guys a mini room tour now. There's nothing much in my room, but so when you walk in, the first thing you see is basically my bed, but first I'm showing you is my door. In the future, I plan to fill this door up. The next thing I want to show you is my wardrobe. My shoes are arranged, my clothes are semi-arranged, but they are here. This place is as arranged as it can get, trust me. So everything here is makeup and everything here is like creams, perfumes and jewelry. Next thing let me show you is my table.
What is that? Oh my god!
But in the future, I just might hang this mirror on the wall. Here is the compartment where I keep my 2 books, arts and crafts. Then on the next side, we have boxes, nothing changed. Some clothes are here. Next, I want to show you is obviously this painting. I so love this painting. My sewing machine there, obviously. My bed. Da da da. My fairy lights, and here are some pictures I decided to put on my bed.
Period.
As you can see, I really love this kind of paintings. I made this one, I made a bigger one, I made a mini one here. Yeah, that is it for I'm tired. That is it.